4th of July travel is expected to reach record numbers this year despite rising costs. AAA is projecting nearly 51 million travelers will take a trip by car or plane. That tops the previous July 4th record of 49 million in 2019. The surge comes as airlines have been slammed by storms and staffing shortages. Joining us now, Hayley Berg, the Hopper lead economist. Hayley, great to have you with us. And the delays seem to keep coming here as we head into this weekend. So I'm wondering what you're forecasting the outlook will be. I mean, the airlines, the stocks themselves are trading as if nothing's going on, even though, consumer anger right now is high.
What we're seeing right now is really the result of bad weather, which I hate to say is good news for travelers. These are unexpected weather events, not technical breakdowns, not crowding on the tarmac. So the good news is hopefully once this weather clears up, 4th of July weekend disruptions will also clear up. But we are expecting all of this bad weather to have a pretty large impact both today and tomorrow. We're forecasting about 3.7 million Americans will depart for 4th of July getaways today and tomorrow, with major hubs like New York City already impacted by delays and cancellations.
Can you give us a sense of what you're seeing in terms of how they choose to travel, and are they choosing any sort of trade downs? We're hearing repeatedly from retailers, at least, that consumers are making choices that indicate some sort of a trade down mentality right now. Are they doing that with travel?
We're seeing deal-seeking behavior. So though budgets might be the same or just slightly larger than they were last year or in the previous year, travelers are stretching that further. So rather than taking just one trip, they might be stretching that budget to take two. So there is definitely a lot of deal-seeking behavior, more price checking. Customers are checking prices about 50% more often on the Hopper app from that first search to when they book. So we know that there is stress on that wallet, but what we're seeing is users bringing that stress in so they can fit more into that travel budget rather than taking things out or trading down altogether.
And on the Hopper app, as I understand it, Hayley, a consumer can go on and determine when they should buy a ticket or when they should book a car, whether prices are going to go up or prices will come down. Has the result mostly been that prices will go higher, so you better buy now? I mean, is that the sort of dynamic that we're seeing in the travel industry right now?
It really depends on where you're going. If you're traveling to Europe or Asia, prices for this summer are already incredibly high, well over $1,200 to Europe, well over $1,800 to Asia. But on the domestic front, we've seen incredible price relief. So travelers this 4th of July paying just around $300 per ticket, down $100 per ticket, or about 25% from last year. So domestic travelers are booking much like they did pre-pandemic, 1 to 2 months in advance, getting the lowest prices. Those international travelers, if they didn't book 3 to 5 months in advance, they're definitely paying a lot more than those travelers who used the app, got the recommendation on the best time to buy. But this is something new coming out of the pandemic. People plan vacations more last minute, and it's costing them.